Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Viper, and today, listen, I had to get this out to you real quick. Do I like and subscribe, sub, hit that like button, and let's get started. This ultra wide feature just came out, and man, I've been waiting on this. Listen, Apple said they was going to do it, and they delivered. It's like having 3 monitors, high definition 4K monitors in one. Let me tell you the beauty part about it too. Listen, you all have the VR that can give you one monitor here, one monitor here, and one monitor here. No, just put 3 monitors in one without the lines in between. I can just move everything back and forth, and it's like 5K. It's crazy. The clarity is great. Apple said they was going to do it, and they did it. It didn't come out on launch. Listen, whatever they had to do to make it work the way it's working now is what I wanted. This is what I've been waiting on, and it's finally here. Enough of me talking about it. Let me show you what I am talking about. Enjoy the video. All right, check it out. I could not wait to make this video. I've been waiting on this ultra wide for a minute. Let's get right into it. Boom, look at that right there. Look at this. It's crazy. Mac virtual display right up there. And it gives you this big ultra wide screen. You can change that to just wide, and then you get the wide, and then you know, everybody know the normal. I don't even have to show you that one. But go back. Let's go back to ultra wide. Ultra wide screen. Then now you can just go to one screen, and you can just put that over here. Look how much space you have. It's crazy. Then you can just bring up your Photoshop right here, and you can put that anywhere. You got so much space right here. So much space. Close that out right there. Then, you know, I could bring up another screen if I want and do whatever I need to do. Alright, so I got my Apple over here, I got this right here, I got this right here. It's just so big. And look, I can bring this a little bigger to me if I want. It's just massive. Let's see what the specs are. If I go to Apple, and then I go to systems, and then I go to display. Right now it's saying this is a 5120 by 1440. That's huge, and that's clear. Everything is great. I like it. This is what we've been waiting on. We've been waiting on something like this. An ultra wide monitor. This is 3 monitors in one. This is what it's all about. And look, you can see your keyboard right here. If you got the Magic Keyboard, it's right here, and you could be in your environment, all in your environment. Got your keyboard, your hands, and everything is just showing up clear. So I updated to the beta 15.2 on my MacBook, and you gotta have the 2.2 on your Apple Vision Pro. Once you got those things installed, you will have this 15.2 developers beta on your MacBook, and the Vision 2.2 on your headset. Then you will have this glorious big screen in front of you, because you got 3 screens right in front of you. 1, 2, 3, and they're huge, and you could do what you want with them. Have a good time. Thank you guys for watching. I had to bring this short video out to you guys just to let you know the ultra wide monitor is here, and get it, jump on it. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Peace.